Today we're going to show you how to crochet a daisy granny square. So we start off with a magic loop and we are using our chunky cotton yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Now that we have our magic loop, we'll do one single crochet into the loop and then a chain 5. Once we have our chain 5, it's time to do another single crochet into the loop. And then we're going to repeat the chain 5 again. And now we'll tighten up our loop and do another single crochet into the loop. And then another chain 5. And one more single crochet into the loop, and then we'll finish off with another chain 5. Now it's time to join our work. So we're going to do a slip stitch into our original single crochet. And you can see that we've made our little daisy shape. So tighten your loop by pulling the loose tail, and now we're going to fasten off. And that is the first layer of our granny square done. So time to move on to our second color. So with our next color, we're going to create a slip knot, slip our hook into the slip knot, and then we're going to join our work by doing a single crochet into one of our single crochets from the previous round. So slip your hook into the single crochet, yarn over, pull it through the stitch, yarn over, and you have completed your first single crochet. And now we're going to do 5 single crochets into the chain 5 space. So to do that, simply slip your hook into the chain 5 space, yarn over, pull it through, and then complete your first single crochet. Now you're going to repeat that 4 more times. And now that we've finished our 5 single crochets, we're going to do a single crochet into one of the single crochets from our previous round. And then again, we're going to do 5 single crochets into the chain 5 space. And then we'll repeat this pattern of a single crochet into the single crochet from the round below, and then 5 single crochets into the chain 5 space. And now we're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet to join. And now with that color finished, it's time to fasten off. And with that done, it's time to move on to our third and final colour. Now we're going to start with a slip knot like we did before, and this time we're going to slip stitch into the slip stitch from the row below. So insert your hook and yarn over and just pull it through the stitch and then through the loop on your hook. And now we're going to work in 2 sets of double crochet. So to start, we're going to chain 3, and this chain 3 is going to count as your first double crochet. And now we're going to do a double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over, pull through your first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through your remaining 2 loops. And now we skip 2 stitches and we're going to start creating a corner for our square. So insert your hook into that 3rd stitch and then do a double crochet. And now insert your hook into the same space and do your 2nd double crochet. And to create the corner, we're going to do a chain 2. And now we insert our hook into that same space that we've just been working in and do another 2 double crochets. And now we skip 2 stitches and do 2 double crochets into that 3rd single crochet. And time to work our next corner. So skip 2 stitches and do 2 double crochets into that 3rd stitch. And then we're going to create a corner by chaining 2 and do 2 more double crochets into that same stitch. And now again, we skip 2 stitches and do 2 double crochets. And time to do another corner. So skip 2 stitches and do 2 double crochets into that 3rd stitch. And you guessed it, we do a chain 2 and then 2 more double crochets into that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches and do 2 double crochets. And now skip 2 stitches, 2 double crochets, and this is our last corner, so we'll need to do another chain 2 after our 2 double crochets. And then 2 double crochets into that same space. And to join our square, we're going to do a slip stitch into the top of that original chain 3. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull it through the chain and pull it through the loop on your hook. And now to finish off, we're just going to fasten off our work, and then you have completed your first daisy granny square.